discuss about geostationary satellite and its orbit. If the height of an artificial satellite above Earth's surface be such that its period of revolution is exactly equal to the period of revolution of axial rotation or motion of Earth, that is 24 hours, then the satellite would appear stationary over a point on Earth's equator. That it would be synchronous with Earth's spin. Such a satellite is known as geostationary satellite or geosynchronous satellite. It is used to reflect TV signals and telecast TV programs from one part of the world to the other part. Let it be the Earth, and this is the geostationary orbit. Now, how it is to be explained that this is a point where the satellite is to be placed. Okay. Now, Earth rotates on its axis in 24 hours. Similarly, if the satellite also rotates in this orbit in 24 hours, then it is said that this satellite is stationary with this place on Earth. It is stationary, all about stationary with respect to the place of the Earth. Then the satellite is said to be geostationary satellite. So for the geostationary satellite, the time period of the satellite must be 24 hours. It must complete one circle in 24 hours. Then this is geostationary satellite. Now here we will calculate what height the satellite should be placed. That this distance, we have to calculate this distance from the surface of the Earth. At what distance from the surface of the Earth the satellite should be placed for treating as a geostationary satellite. Now, to calculate the height of geostationary satellite, we use the following relation. Time period T is equal to 2 pi under root RE plus H whole cube divided by GRE square. In this equation, T is the time period of the satellite, RE is the radius of the Earth, G is acceleration due to gravity, and H is height of satellite in geostationary orbit. Substituting all these values in this equation, we have, as we know that T is equal to 24 hours. 24 hours means 24 into 60 minutes into 60, that is about 86,400 seconds. Radius of the Earth is 6.37 into 10 raised to the power 6 meter, and G is equal to 9.8 meter per second square. So substituting all these values in the equation 1, before substituting the values, first squaring both sides of the equation. So we have T square, 4 pi square, and this square under root square removes. So RE plus H whole cube divided by GRE square. We have RE plus H whole cube T square GRE square upon 4 pi square. Therefore, RE plus H is equal to T square GRE square upon 4 pi square raised to the power 1 by 3. That means cube root. Now RE plus H is equal to, using the values that this value T square is 86,400 into 86,400 into G is 9.8 into RE square 6.37 into 10 raised to the power 24 upon 4 into 3.14 into 3.14 raised to the power 1 by 3. This is raised to the power 1 by 3. After solving this, we have 4.22 into 10 to the power 7 meter, and dividing it by 1000, it gives us in value in kilometer. So RE plus H is equal to 4.22 into 10 to the power 4 kilometer. that is 42,200 kilometer approximately. Therefore, H is equal to 42,200 minus RE, and as we know that radius of Earth is 6,370 kilometer, so subtracting this value we have 35,830 kilometer. So exactly height approximately we can say that such satellites are placed at a distance of 36,000 kilometer from the surface of the Earth. Then the satellite becomes geostationary satellite. For geostationary satellite, a satellite must be placed at a height of 36,000 kilometer approximately. Thus, for a satellite to appear stationary, it must be placed in an orbit around the Earth at a height of 35,830 kilometer above the equator. This is also known as parking orbit of the satellite. It appears that the body is parked on the satellite because the satellite is stationary with respect to a Earth place on Earth, with respect to a specific place over Earth. So artificial satellites used for telecasting are placed in parking orbits. The orbiting speed of the, in this case also we can calculate. First I have calculated at what height. So height is about 36,000 kilometer. Now I have to calculate what will be the speed of the satellite through which it is revolving around the Earth at a height of 36,000 kilometer. So orbiting speed of the geostationary satellite is given by the equation V naught is equal to 2 pi RE plus H within bracket divided by time period. So here V naught is orbiting speed of the geostationary satellite. Using all these values, 2 pi is 3.14, RE plus H, I have taken RE plus H is equal to 42,200 kilometers, so 42,200 kilometer, and time period is 24 hours. So calculating this value we have 11,042 kilometer per hour. With this huge speed, the satellite is moving around the Earth, and for this speed the satellite completes one revolution of the Earth in 24 hours. So this is called the geostationary satellite. So geostationary satellite is placed at a height about 36,000 kilometers from the surface of the Earth, and the speed with which it is moving around the Earth in the sun synchronous orbit is about 11,042 kilometer per hour. So this is all about the geostationary satellite and its orbiting speed. Subscribe the channel, press the bell icon and like the videos.